Rampage after a tag team win for Williow Nightingale and Chris Statlander. Here comes the CEO, Mercedes Moné, and Mercedes was fit to be tied. As you can see, she jumped in, fisticuffs raining down. It took referees and security to try to hold them back, and they couldn't hold them back, Nigel.
This is the most important thing at the end of it all. Mercedes Moné held the TBS title aloft. Will that be a preview of what we will see tomorrow night at Double or Nothing?
Ladies and gentlemen, being accompanied by Chris Statlander, the TBS champion, Williow Nightingale.
And the final word last night came from Mercedes Moné when she held that belt up and said, "I'll see you on Sunday." Sunday is tomorrow. And it's right here at the MGM Grand Garden Arena. Double or Nothing. Williow Nightingale, Mercedes Moné.
Nightingale still with that bubbly, charismatic, and amiable smile on her face, but it means she hasn't got something of worth to say. Let's hear what the TBS champion wants to say.
Infectious smile, just really a great person.
Las Vegas! You know, it feels really great to be here. And on the 5th anniversary of All Elite Wrestling, nonetheless. We got Collision on TBS tonight, and you can't have Collision on TBS without the face of TBS. The face of TBS, thanks to you. I love you guys too. But I'm thinking about last night on Rampage, and somebody else put their hands on my TBS championship. Mercedes Moné. Now, Mercedes has been here for about 2 months. And I keep talking about how much I respect her. But we're way past respect now. Tomorrow, at Double or Nothing, Mercedes, I am going to wreck you. I am going to make you long for the days when you were out of harm's way, sitting at home on the shelf. And I know championships, they come and go. I know that. But I'll be damned if tomorrow is the day this championship reign ends. Because for years, I have been working towards my dream. I've had a knee surgery. I don't know if you guys know this, but I was nearly paralyzed when I broke my neck 5 years ago before I even got here. And so now, I get to live my dream as the TBS champion. And I'll go through Manitoba massacres. I'll hop on a plane and go 14 hours there and back in 2 days to go to Stardom and defend this, all right? So Mercedes, I'm just getting started. Now, Mercedes, you say I cannot beat you. at 100%. But I know you can't beat me at any percent, because last year I did just that. And tomorrow, at Double or Nothing, I'm going to prove that the better woman is Williow Nightingale.
Williow Nightingale, Mercedes Moné, tomorrow night. It's all live on Double or Nothing, exclusively on pay-per-view from right here at the MGM Grand Garden Arena in Las Vegas. A lot of confidence in the champion. Boy, the fans are behind her, aren't they? They love her.
They certainly are. As I said, very affable champion. But she is in store for the CEO herself.